Hey there, viewers! Easy 5-minute chest workout at home, no bench needed. Zeus and Hercules never had a Smith machine or padded bench to sculpt their perfect body. And yes, this means you don't need expensive equipment to achieve a Greek god body. As a matter of fact, a complete newbie can have a full thick chest by just using a set of dumbbells and the floor. And okay, lots of protein too. Actually, the floor, or a mat for that matter, might be even better than a bench because it lets you lift heavier and provides the perfect range of motion. In this easy at-home 5-minute workout chest workout, you will only need dumbbells. The instruction is easy. Complete each exercise for 60 seconds. And that's it. So let's get started then. Before we go on, smash that like button, then let's get right back to it. Standing chest press. For this exercise, you will only need a single dumbbell and enough space. Begin by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart. Hold the dumbbell between your palms with your hands on either end. This should put the dumbbell in front of your chest with your arms slightly bent at the elbow. After which, squeeze the dumbbell using your palms and activate your chest muscles. Extend your arms until they're straight so you can push the dumbbell away from your chest. Go back to the initial position and repeat. Standing upward fly. Get into a sturdy standing position. Grab a dumbbell in each hand with your palms facing forward. Then make sure your feet are shoulder-width apart and your arms down straight in front of your center. Next, extend your arms up and out to the sides as you keep your elbows straight and your arms at chest level. Lastly, bring them back to the center for 1 rep, then repeat. Lying regular fly. Start by lying on your back and grabbing the dumbbells with your palms facing each other. Raise the dumbbells above your chest while you keep a slight bend on your elbows. Slowly lower the dumbbells to each side until they hover just above the ground. Afterward, contract your chest to bring your elbows together. Then go back to the initial position and repeat. Dumbbell push-up. Get into a plank position and grab a dumbbell in each hand with your palms facing down on the floor. You can opt to do these on your toes or knees if it's hard to be on your toes. Keep your back flat and bend your elbows to bring your body close to the floor without touching it. Pause at the bottom of your push-up, then explosively extend your elbows and push your body back up to the initial position. This will engage your shoulders and arms further. Repeat. Dumbbell floor press. Lie flat on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Using an overhand grip, grab the dumbbells and extend your elbows until they're in a 90-degree position with your triceps resting flat. The dumbbells should be above your chest and directly above your elbows. Engage your core and extend your arms toward the ceiling. Pause, go back to the starting position, and repeat. Easy peasy, huh? When will you start? Drop your answers and comments below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.